There are urgent calls to lift vaccination rates, with Queensland experiencing an unprecedented whooping cough epidemic. More than 12,500 infections have been reported so far this year. That's a huge jump on this time last year, when there were 549 cases. The majority were children aged 5 to 14 years. But concerningly, 37 babies under the age of 6 months were hospitalised. One died.
It's the worst year for whooping cough in Queensland on record.
Babies are the most vulnerable age group. For them, whooping cough can be life-threatening. It's why doctors are concerned that fewer pregnant women are getting vaccinated. It's dropped from 77% in 2020 to 71% in 2023. In some regions, the vaccination rate has fallen below 65%.
If mothers get vaccinated during pregnancy, there is a significant chance that that will protect their baby.
Whooping cough is highly infectious. It starts with a runny nose and sneezing and progresses to severe coughing. It can lead to pneumonia, seizures and brain damage from prolonged lack of oxygen.
It's frightening. It's frightening not just for parents, it's frightening for doctors and nurses looking after these small children, because you just want to help them and you just can't. Once they've got whooping cough, it's very difficult to look after them.
Whooping cough vaccines for pregnant women are free. It's one dose between 20 and 32 weeks gestation. Children get 5 doses, starting at 2 months old up until 4 years of age.